Hello friends, welcome to Saho Studies. In this video, we are going to see how can we perform a delete operation with the help of a subquery in Spark SQL. So to perform this exercise, so what I am going to do, I am going to do a delete operation with the help of a subquery in a normal table. So for this exercise, what I am just doing, first I am creating a table with the help of a create table uh, command. This is the name of the table and these are the data types. So these are the columns. It has 6 data types and 6 columns. Once this table gets created, I am inserting 5 records in this table with the help of a insert statement. Then I am doing a select statement to figure it out all the insert statements which I have done here has been successfully inserted or not. Then again I am creating a table with the help of a create table command. This is the name of the table and I am inserting 2 records here. So this is the things which we need to do first, and then I will going to show you how the delete operation can be performed with the help of a subquery. So let's do create these tables and insert the required data, and then we can discuss the delete with subquery. So for this, let's go to Databricks. Let's create a notebook. Create a notebook. Name this notebook as delete with sub. Attach this notebook with our running cluster. Let me create a table first. Create table. If not exist, name of the table is AP employer delete with subquery. These are the columns. APID of in type, AP name of string type, AP gender is of string type, AP salary of in type, AP state of string type, and AP city of string type. Let's run it. It is taking some time. Okay, this table has been created successfully. We can validate here. Back it here, we need to see. This is the database. In the default database, this table it has been created successfully. Now let's insert some data in it. So we need to create the insert statement. To save time, I have just created the insert statement. I will insert it. These are the very simple insert statement. You can see and you can create it. So that's why to save time, I am just copying it from Notepad. Let's run it. It is taking some time. Okay. Now the insert statement has been inserted all the records in this table. So let's do a select. We can see these are the same records which are present in this insert statement. So let's create another table. The name of the table is create table, and the name of the table is AP city relate with sub query, and these are the schema AP ID of int type, then AP city of string type. Let's run it. This table has been created successfully. We can validate from here. This is the default database. This is the table which we have created. Now we need to insert some records in it. So we need to create an insert statement. To save time, I have already created this insert statement. Let's copy and run it. Data has been inserted. Let's do a select. Select start from. We can see these are the two records which we have inserted with the help of this insert statement. Okay, so we have created two tables and we have created and we have inserted the required data. Let's go to the PPT. So what I am just doing here, I am deleting some records from this table. In where condition, this APCT is from where I am just fetching the APCT. I am fetching the APCT from this table. So this is the subquery. That means we are deleting the record from this table in the where condition APCT is equal to all the city which is present in this table. So in this way we are deleting a table with we are deleting the records from this table with the help of a subquery. So that's why we have created two tables and we have inserted the required data in these two tables to perform this exercise. So let's go to the Databricks and do this, and let's perform this delete exercise with the help of a subquery. So how we are going to do it? Delete from which table we are going to delete it? We are going to delete it AP employee delete with subquery. This is the table name, and where, this is the where condition, and in where condition which from which table we are targeting? We are targeting this APCT. This APCT equal to, it will going to take all the values which is present in this subquery. Then select APCT from which table? This table. Where APCT equal to Patna. Let me just format this little bit. So it has formatted. Let's run it. So one row get affected means this subquery will going to give only one records because we have just restricted it APCT is equal to Patna, and this subquery will supply the APCT to this query, and this data from this table will going to delete it. So let's do a select statement and just check the data which is present in this table where city name is Patna has been deleted or not. So let's do a select statement. Select start from. Let's copy this table. We can see now there are only 4 records, and the APCT you can see Patna is not present. So this is the one way with the help of a subquery we can delete sorry data. Let's go to the PPT. Now this is again a example of subquery. So what we are just doing, we are deleting data from this table, okay, where, and now we are doing this exists. Select APCT from APCT delete with subquery, where APCT equal to d.apct. So what we are going to do, sorry, what we are doing here, we are doing a subquery. In this subquery, what we are doing, we are just checking that the city which is present in this table and the city which is present in this table, if both are exist, take those city, supply here and delete all the records which is matching in this particular subquery, or we can say all the data, all the city which is matching in this subquery, it will going to take those city and it will going to delete all city records from this table. That's why here we are just doing this exists. This is a one way we can do a subquery. So let's go to Databricks and let's perform this exercise. So what I'm just doing, delete from, what is the name of the table? This is the name of the table where exists. Now we are not going putting any column name, where we are saying that exists, what it exists. So we are doing a subquery. Select star from AP. Here let's do a alias. Okay, let's put it A. This is the second. This is the second table. Select star from this table. Here select, not select star. We can see select APCT. We are selecting the city only, no? APCT. This is a D, where what a dot APCT equal to B dot APCT. So first it will going to check those APCT which is present in this table and which is present in this table, and it will take this APCT, and then what it will going to do, it will going to delete those APCTs from this records, from this table. Let me just format it. Now run this. It is deleting the records. let's wait for some time. So one row gets affected. So let me do a select. Select star from. So it has only 3 records. So let's which are the matching one. Okay. So this is the, let's go on the top. Lucknow and Patna. These are the two cities which is present in this city data. Here we have deleted Patna, so only Lucknow data left. So this subquery will going to fetch the Lucknow data, because this is the only one data which is present in this table. So that record will going to match with the help of AP city is equal to AP city. It will fetch, and the Lucknow city is also present here also. So it will going to take AP city here. It will supply that AP city in this delete statement, and AP city records is getting deleted from this table. That's why we can see here this Lucknow records is not present. Means the city which has the Lucknow as a value, that record is not present. Let's go to the PPT. After performing this delete, we need to insert the data which we have deleted again to perform the next set of actions. So let me just insert these 2 records again. Because if we see in this data, sorry, in this table, these 2 records are not present. We can see here this Patna city and Lucknow city records are not present. So let's insert it again. It will require to perform our next exercise. That's why I am inserting. Let's do a select. So these 2 records now available in this table. Let's go to the PPT. Now what I'm just doing, I am creating a subquery. And what subquery is doing, it is saying that take APID, select APID from this city where APID is equal to 101, right? And it is here we are deleting with the help of a delete statement from this table, and here now we are using what? We are using this APID in. Suppose you are not using here this APID is equal to 121, maybe 101, maybe this APID will have multiple values. So I will going to show you that if you are not using this statement, then how it will going to be here. But let's that we are performing this subquery. This is the query which we have written. It will going to give one APID here. That APID will select will be a insert record which we are going to supply in this APID in condition. Then it will going to delete the data, all the APIDs which is we are fetching from this subquery. So let's see how we can do this exercise in Databricks. So let's perform a delete operation again. Delete from, this is the name of the table where AP city in. Now here for the in I am going to write a subquery. Select AP. Here not APCT. Here we are just saying APID. Here we are also selecting APID. Select APID. Sorry. Select APID from this table. this table. This table where AP underscore ID equal to 101. Let me just format it. Let me run it. So what records are deleted from this table? What I'm just doing, I am just selecting AP ID based on this query and supplying the AP ID as a in condition in this statement, this where clause, and it will going to delete this AP ID which is present in this, which is the result of this query, and the resultant APID is getting deleted from this table. So let's do a select statement. So here one record gets deleted because here we have restricted it 101. So what I'm just going to do, let me just perform the insert statement of 101, and again I will going to run this delete query, but here we are not going to give this where condition. So let's do a insert statement. So insert statement where we have written here 101, right? So let's copy this insert statement. Run it. Let's do a select. Select start from this table. So 5 records are there. Now we can also do a select statement. Let's see how many records are there in this table. Select start from this table. So it has 2 records. So now we have used this one. This delete statement. Here what we are saying, that here we are restricting that this subquery will going to fetch only one APID. Now let's remove this where condition. Now this query will going to bring 2 records. Why? Because we can see this table has 2 records and we are not putting any condition over there. So what it will going to do, it will going to get 2 records, 2 APID. Those 2 APID will be supplied in this AP in condition, and 2 records from which APID is matching in this subquery will going to delete from this table. So let's see it. Let's run this delete statement. So 2 records gets deleted. If we see a select, if we do a select, let's see how much data it is having. Select start from. So we can see APID 101 and APID 102 has been deleted from this table. How it is deleted? Because APID 101 and APID 102 is present in this subquery. This subquery result is supplied to this APID in statement, and those APID has been deleted from this table. So we have seen that different approaches in this video. How can we delete a data from a particular table with the help of a subquery? Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.